Hey guys, what's up? So I'm sorry I'm not like super dressed up or anything today. It's supposed to snow, our roads are already getting slick, so I'm not really planning on going anywhere. So I kind of just decided to wear one of Andrew's t-shirts and be comfy. So anyways, today I thought it would be fun to film a natural looking makeup tutorial. But disclaimer, I'm not going to necessarily be using too many less products to do that. So if you want a natural tutorial that uses like a few products, this is probably not the one to watch. But if you just want one that's going to end up looking natural in the end, then keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to take my Advanced Real Moisture Liquid Foundation. I normally prefer to use like a BB cream or something if I'm going to be doing a natural looking thing. I don't have a BB cream right now though, so this is the most natural looking one I have. And I'm actually just going to use my fingers to blend it in. This actually blends really well, so I would recommend this. Like, it is actually really nice. But I don't know, this is one I got from Ipsy, so I like to try and use them up if I like them at all. Normally if I don't like stuff from Ipsy, I'll give it to my cousin or something and see if she likes it. I'm sorry if you hear background noise. Both of my cats are in here right now and they're playing together. Meaning the little one is annoying the older one. Okay, so once you have that all blended, I'm going to be taking my It Bye Bye Under Eye and I'm going to put that under my eyes. If I can get it open. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and stick it under my eyes. And then I'm going to take my NYX Full Coverage Concealer and I'm just going to put that on any redness or spots. Now, normally I would have my foundation brush, but since I don't, I'm just going to use a sponge to blend that. I'm also going to be using my fingers a little bit as well. Normally blending this with a brush does pretty well, but I always go back in with my fingers anyways, just to get it extra blended. So once I've done that, I am going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Well, actually the first thing I'm going to do is put on my It by Voice Pressed Powder. So I'm just going to take that and put it all over my face. Normally I would do this after the eyes, but since I'm not going to be doing anything to my eyes really except mascara, I'm going to go ahead and do it now so that it doesn't ruin the mascara. So now that I've done that, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to be taking the Ulta Beauty Amp Lashes Volumizing and Defining Mascara, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelashes, the tops and the bottoms. The only thing I don't like about this brush is the end is very movable, which is good, I guess, putting it on the lashes, but it's a little annoying getting it in and out of the tube. I've actually completely missed the tube and hit my hand before. Don't know if that's the mascara's fault or because I'm uncoordinated, but yeah. So once I've done that, I'm going to curl my lashes again. Next up, I'm going to take my Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in Light, and I'm just going to run that through my eyebrows. Normally I don't do anything to my brows, but since I got this and the Ulta stuff I ordered, I've been testing it out. I kind of like it, so like kind of part of me wants to keep using something like this and part of me doesn't. Let me know if you guys think it actually makes a difference. If you think it makes a difference and looks good, I might keep using something like this. If not, I'm not sure if it's worth the extra money. After I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm going to use that to like bronze up a little bit on my cheeks and forehead area. Now I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and just kind of blend that in. And after I've done that, I'm going to take my Tarte Amazon Clay blush in Quirky, and I'm going to be taking my Luxie 524 T brush. Or no. I cannot figure out what I'm doing to you guys. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Quirky onto an Ulta blush brush. And I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. I've been so out of it this week, you guys, just trying to like focus and remember anything. I think it's because me and Andrew are trying to figure out things with getting a home and stuff like that before we get married. I'm just kind of stressed out. Next up, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Afterglow, and then I'm going to be taking my Luxie brush to apply that. And I'm just going to be putting that on a few different areas to highlight. Now since I didn't do anything to the eyes, I am still going to take a little bit of this under the brow area. And just a little in the inner corners as well. And after I've done that, I'm going to take my Maybelline Baby Lips lip gloss or lipstick. I don't even remember what these are called. Lip balm, I think. I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this, even though I've kind of been not able to talk and just, it hasn't been the most organized tutorial I've ever filmed, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more natural looking looks or more dramatic looks and stuff, or anything else that you guys want to see, just let me know. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!